Well, welcome back DIY car guys and car girls. I got something cool for you today. Check this out. Mr. Sparkles here got some new shoes. Oh baby, I can't tell you how much rims change the entire look of your vehicle. But before I pull this out the garage, I have some things, look, a couple of maintenance things I noticed right here. I went to put on bigger studs because they weren't quite having all the engagement on the acorn nuts right there. I didn't really like it. So I changed these out, and then I found some more things I gotta fix. But before I fix this and pull Mr. Sparkles out so we can check out the rims, we're gonna do this one little trip real quick. So we're gonna take a trip down to MIR with my buddy Connor. He has a 1,000 horsepower twin turbo Mustang, and his dad's out there for his birthday. I don't believe him and his dad have ever gotten together and raced on a track. I think it's been like a long time. We'll get the real scoop when we get down there. So let's head down to MIR, check him out, and then when we get back, I'll go ahead and finish this guy up right here, and I'll show you guys a new feat. So on to MIR first. Let's get it. Freaking Amish. Make a road for them.
We made 2 passes already, and I forgot to turn on the CO2 both passes, so we're gonna make another one right when it's perfectly the nicest, hottest part of the day. Super stock car.
It's so weird being here at the track and seeing people just parked in the staging lanes. Yeah, that's convenient right there.
So we did a track rental because my dad and I, my dad was in his 20s, in his teens and 20s, and he was really into cars, and kind of lost that, I guess, hobby at some point in time in his 30s, and then we never did car stuff together. And I never did car stuff growing up, and then it wasn't until I like bought that Mustang when I was 19, and then I started, you know how it starts with, oh, I'm gonna just put a little catback exhaust or mufflers, and then you're like, I really think I want to do headers, and then that next thing, it's, you know, it's twin turboed and running on ethanol.
Oh, you kind of took it all the way.
Well, are you ready to go? Make
I'm ready to get this.
Okay.
All right, good sir.
I'm gonna take this off. Is that okay?
There we go. Great job.
Tyler, that time I had the CO2 on, so that one ran pretty good. What'd you think?
That felt like a quarterback.
That was good. And we threw the chute on him, obviously, so. High five. Look, only turbos, right? This is a nitrous channel, so he's gonna be bummed out. Get a turbo, Tyler. He's gonna be bummed to see that shirt on this channel.
What the heck are you guys doing? Trying to ruin my life and make me look like a friggin' idiot?
Okay, looks like Ty is changing the target boost. 3-step target, 2-step target, 14. Oh man, I wonder if this is gonna blow the tires off.
Is he putting it in kill mode?
No, he's not putting it in kill mode. He's just changing the boost ramp a little bit. Oh, geez Louise. Okay, the rest of it is gonna go. Oh, 16 pounds on the, 20 pounds on the gate.
Thanks for the invite.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna go pick up some AC. And this shit.
If they have any extra, bring it back.
Dude, it's ridiculous today. Connor schedules a track rental in a heat wave.
Yeah. Well,
they have a heat advisory too, don't they?
Private jets, rents the track for a whole day, leaves in a couple hours. Just baller.
He is a baller. All right,
That
baller.
video where he was throwing money at his car.
Yeah.
He said it was play money, but I don't think it was.
$1 too much.
We know you're just being modest.
That's really not true.
All right, y'all. Okay, so I'm back home from the track. Got cleaned up because it was stupid hot out there. It's later on today and time to reveal the new wheels and tires. It's the JEGS spike rims, but compared to what I had on there, I'll throw up a picture after you see this. It's a huge difference. Zero regrets in the money I spent on this package. Oh, baby. I mean, whew. It is literally a different truck with those wheels and tires on it. I mean, now they're not sticking out all stupid like they used to. They're tucked in there, way more clean. I finally got this turd out the 80s into the 2000s. Like I said, zero freaking regrets, man. I love them. So you guys tell me what you think of the new look in the comments down below. I'll post a picture right here of how it used to look. So there's the before and after. You guys keep on wrenching, let me know what you think, and peace.